Welcome. Let us know about Article 370. Article 370 Temporary Provisions with respect to the state of Jammu Kashmir. In detail, temporary provisions with respect to state of Jammu Kashmir. Article 370 or Article 370 not withstand anything in this constitution, and the provision of Article 238 shall not apply in relation to the state of Jammu Kashmir. And B. The power of Parliament to make laws for the said state shall be terminated to B. Those matters of the Union list and concurrent list in constitution with the government of the state are declared by the President to correspond to the matter specific in the instrument of accession governing the accession of the state of the Dominion of India, as the matter with respect to which the Dominion legislature may make laws for the state, and such that matters of the said list as with the concurrence of the government of the state, the President may by order specify explanation. For the purpose of this article, the government of the state means the person for the time being recognized by the President of the as the Maharaja of Jammu Kashmir, acting on the advice of Council of Ministers for the time being in the office under Maharaja's proclamation dated the 5th day of March 1948. C. The provision of Article 1 and of this article shall apply in relation to the state. D. Such of the other provisions of the Constitution shall apply in relation to the state, subject to such exception and modification as the President may by order specify, provident that no such order which relates to the matter specified in the instrument of accession of the state referred to the paragraph 1 subclause B shall be issued except in constitution with the government of state, provided further that no such order with respect to matters other than those referred to the last preceding provisions shall be issued except with the concurrence of government. If the concurrence of the government of the state referred to in paragraph of subclause B of clause 1 or in the second provision of subclause D of that clause be given before the Constituent Assembly for the purpose of forming the Constitution of the state is governed, it shall be placed before such assembly for such a decision as it may take thereon. Note, withstanding anything in the foreign provisions of this article, the President may by public notification declare that this article shall cease to the operativity of or shall be operative only with such exceptions and modification and from such date as he may specify, provided that the recommendation of the Constituent Assembly of the state referred to in clause 2 shall be necessary before the President issue such a notification. In exercise of power conferred by this article, the President, on the recommendation of Constituent Assembly of the state of Jammu Kashmir, declared as from the 17th day of November 1952, the said Article 370 shall be operative with the modification that the explanation of clause 1 thereof the following explanation is substituted, namely explanation For the purpose of this article, the government of the state means the person for the time being recognized by the president of the on the recommendation of legislative assembly of the state as Sardar one Riyasat of Jammu Kashmir, acting on the advice of Council of Minister of the state for the time being in office. Ministry of Law Order number CO44 dated the 15th November 1952. Now Governor. Hope you understood. Thanking you. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.